dane da munya breje adwati nsema ye de ebesom mo e wotuma gin echifidi kase ye eso enum tin na dane da ye kase we are your number 1 credible channel ye wo ho e de emamo abre ene abre ebia na gye mejo se dia na mamu nim se e sunsun nsem na sunsun nsem e ba se dia na chese hu benya se hu bepin e de aban ebia na wo hawo no ano emu aye no ene e na hu benya ebia na wo busuo mo dia edam mo dia e koso no ene wo ti eye sanse me be na so ama watimi apai fa ho die e de ama eye abusua no eno nti na chese e hu benya se afei e na wo hwe ye na wo subscribe to your channel na waye e de ama like videos na share waiting to follow ye e wo Facebook page no SOA so much GA na eye ensin bisa na wo comment section ho o dia tum ho e de amaye na ebrepam no metina si ebiema e be dodo ho adoso mu na wo so watimi enya wage ntwe dia fa nsem ni nyina e ho na alofo se de wonim no e bia hwasnega ai wone eye chema wontumi nsensem obeka ye e de fa chema wontumi e ho manam so e ma je se ye December bosumi yesi mu wo mkopie mu e wo court because of nsem mo tsan United Showbiz so e kan ye na je se ye che wo mo contempt no ai one there after say a issue a bent warrant e de emma no enyina no enya de se watime free turkey e de aba ebi no mo purchase wo suro ebi no so hu ne se ye de e koso no se bio ye nyoma bia na ebie kwan bi e de ama no nyoma bi wo ho no ma wo so wontu ho anamo se de bi obetima ginity e de efrem ensem we no emu edo mentwa me ho emrai ba ya do mo esuko order for any said and some no etie no enti no na etire wo hwe ai enkwa gina ene biemu so be no so eso a emia eno nti no na je say empenifo e wa hanom aye ne wo mo ebedo ensam no mo esuko eye hajia ajaratu ena ebiemu so eye chief mosi ma ono so e wa hanom seyi a je say eye onkomotwetwe no ebekoso e de amansa pepepe chief mo akwaba
me di super
bibia bokodi
bibia ya kama
aja bibia boko
Bibia
ye da Krista say me na be ma bibia boko die
nyame ase bibia boko
okay aja me di every eya wo so eya Afia Schwar ni ensam abeto abonten den abeti aka fa ho
yoleri kan me chia me busuafo
okay
ene ehwefo mo hwe me ene me kroma ba bia me firi gbamu
okay
ene a meti hai edi kan yafa Afia de ntu nchenka krebi emre kitwebi na menfa na asam kakre ntueni deri kan ni se yesa yale yale a eye stroke ene diabetes ene obi a onwo ene be ma okompa so a onche ene wo a ope obema eye kese yale bebre wo de yenye eye sika loto enu de enka eduma ho eduma yi eye nanamu a omudi jaye me na metiano na me oba nti no di be mai esini hene na se ye eduma na se ye kumu ano eye busumna onna ye be ma onna ye ohene na onna be di emenim na waye eduma na ama me because of me oba nti me na metiano na wo yale se eye stroke se ya wo se ye nkrata sam ana udi be kwa abrochira na wo abrochira wo nkrata mu enkoso wo de wo frɛ a ye be boa ana wo stroke ana wo ko a enko wo frɛ a ye be ma wo dro na ya timi asa wo yale awo ye ana se wo ton ade ena wo hunu sika na ano a wo de bra ye nchen wo de ensama mekekai wo de hwe be bia yeti eye adwuma na busua ni nyina eboa no ete ho ena ye adwuma no so wo bakura na se menni ho a ana na ni ho kura na penyina wo fie bia no wo ba obetima ye adwuma na ama ye adwuma no enye se ye didi agro ye nye nkwala adwuma wo ya akwala me frɛ me me mpanyimfo na ye eduma nya me nkwala na ye eduma te wo ya kwala enfrɛ me na me nkwala ye eduma te na asama ewo hɔ no na Afia de na wo kan one chairman asam Afia de na no ya ano yawo en de ne dia na mesra wo Afia so wo hwa me ana wo tie me a men ye me o na me de ye me wo ye me a wo de asam me futuro na me de ma wo futuro na me tofo so wo yo ba na me so me yo ba me tofo unu chama ya asami baby bia wo dwane akɔhye bia no men ka so wa fa wo ho adi o wo fa wo ho ndi e baby bia wo wokra no wo da wo sundae pa ehu niema but wo pese wo be ka no kurenti no ana wo pe efuturo nti wo pese wo be ka but se wo pese wo hu anu a ese wo kopa chama ya atwo kopa na atwo fa dwoto ne ko na wo so be fa ho ahu wo benya wo fa ahu die na nya saa enka se baby a wo kɔhye ye no wa fa wo ho adi me tufu se wo ti hoi wo di mama bia tampa mama ne bohwɛ still oda so ye ho adwuma so wo se me boa ana ka wotrim last time wo di mama bia tampa ema ehye mama no ema mama ne bohwɛ se me boa ka jena se me boa amenim se wo de wo pe challenge ena wa no yanti me de wo di ya me a wo di asam wo ya me a wo di asam
chief o hwa eye Afia Schwarzenegger said eye hajia eka said nani adi esi efa etie ene ne nyomo a wo ye no does he has any spiritual backing or is just a mere thing?
What I'll do first, I'm greeting everybody, the listeners and our community where we come from.
Okay.
And I'm greeting my chiefs, our grandfather Nabuaga. I'm greeting him 10 times. Afia Schwarzenegger, what problem is that? Or didn't painful anthem. He insult people. Everybody he can insult. It's not that she had a protected. She doesn't have any protection at all
from anybody.
No. It's only that he just thinks that nobody can do something to her.
Okay.
Meanwhile, no. Most of people as what turn their eyes to Afia Schwarzenegger. They are praying day in and day out for her to get a problem. And Afia Schwarzenegger and then this chairman went to me issue. The girl's supposed to call or just send people there to go and apologize.
Okay.
And it's not only Chairman Wuntumi alone. He likely insulted people. Okay. We don't insult everybody like that. If somebody did something to you and you insult the person, that one you have the right somehow self. But if the person doesn't do anything, something small, you insult this person. People are doing things to affect you.
Okay.
And she doesn't know. So if she doesn't take time with that entering people matters, I feel she will have a problem anytime at all. Because most of people have these things to
that means what he is experiencing now is even the smallest.
What the lady is experiencing is more than even 2 years now. She always had some dreams and then all that, but she doesn't think, or he doesn't think that it's because of the way I'm doing people that these things has happened to my life. You understand? It's always sometimes dream or this dream.
Okay.
You understand? And then many things has even affected her now that we are standing. Yeah, I feel it's had a problem. If she doesn't believe, she should come on air and just speak through that. She doesn't face in, there is no problem with her. You understand? So try and then stop insulting people and then find a solution. That is how I have to just give it to.
Aya, share a year Afia ni sune ne banya. Said the wakasa di tia eye will be nipa na boni duane. No, nam so ama onsuro obi anaso otimi kasa obi anyhow na say ade ayatodi ama no. Said the ebegu ne mu ase.
Enye ade ayato ama no. Onu anu ne su tempai.
Okay.
Because wa fan ho say onu onsuro hwe ombuhwe onsuro opia to bia otimi bie na ano edinatam obia otimi bie na ano dinatam se o maame size o onana size obia o chain bia o do obetimi awo no kra no on de o say ono onsuro bia o de no ho o kasa basa ono bie na ano no ti amanfo atam de nipa no be ka no kra kire ne ntino no wa dina ho no aye no no abonobo oba so nkasa nsimi enso obu.
Okay.
Oba o nkasa nsi obu wo no hwan enso ye to honum ne obi chen woni tumi bia so kasa na o kasa si obu meneme so yo bia obi anto hwe ma e yo no an suban.
Okay. Okay. Chief, bra mujumadi a mudie no eso. What are the sickness that you do heal? You explain vivid how the process do go on, how many days that the person needs to know or be given medicine, how it works and stuff.
I would like to speak, just manage the tree. You know, most of people doesn't understand English, and most of people too doesn't understand tree. But I would just like to explain it.
No problem.
In tree. We had this our work is not only me or only this our sister or this our brother. It's family work. It's our grandfathers. It's just something that we inherited. I nana adie.
Okay.
To share you know we won't say nipa tom penifoni ina I family no.
Okay.
Obidi na hawa ba ina be ka bom. Whether who are stroke yali ana who tonema na enkoyim ana wo court case ana president ana MP ana who pay just any of the chieftaincy ana who pay just chieftaincy obetma afre contact here yeah one northern region oduru tamade na wa afre betma cho yakuru na wa faka abaho.
Okay, chief, me chawa no. With the sickness that you've made mention of, stroke, I want you to take it one after the other.
Okay.
So with the stroke, how do you go about it?
The stroke, we had a herbalist that, you know, most of people, stroke is not about just God give it. There are some witches who always give people sickness.
Okay.
Especially this year's stroke, even you can see some young girl or young boy that had a stroke. It's people, especially the witches, they always push it to them.
Okay.
Because of he just want to condemn your life. If he give you that sickness, you cannot go and find anything in yourself.
Okay.
And we had for the sickness yali nyame so bet mama yali.
Okay.
But we no stroke no obi ba sana yesa ye be di kan ahwehwe. Ye hu say nipa na how na ye pekwan be ye no asode aba sa ye ho no ye tama obi bet obetima ba afie no na ye ma nipa no na how mukrum ana ba bia na nipa no ti no ye ma nipa no akonfensi.
Okay.
Oh ye ma na de odi ale na ma no ana o how no ye ma nipa na pia wanta confess na obi at say asemesi we na how we na sai na dru no na pe hebalisa ma nipa no onye den. Okay,
with the medicine or the medication that you give to the person having stroke, how many days does it take? Is it a week, a month?
Actually, you see, a spiritual man who says that he can always give a medicine to somebody and the person will get healed 2 days. It's not that.
Okay.
Herbalists, when they give you herbalists to use it, maybe disease can just enter you one day. but it can't remove one day.
One day, sure.
You use it. We had the days that we let you use it.
So at least how many days?
At least
or
about stroke, it will be 11 days.
11
stroke.
days.
Yeah.
Okay.
Diabetes too is there.
Okay.
And then if you are not performing well, with somebody, maybe you had a big penis, it will get to some time and then it comes to.
We'll come to that one. Let's focus on with the stroke issue with you. I'll come to Hajia and you also explain the other side also for us.
Okay.
So with the stroke, as you're saying, some people are being given by the family members. How would you know this one is being given by the family member? And how do you have a communication with the family member in order for their victim to be healed?
The reason is that if not you had a spiritual eyes, you cannot see that those things.
Okay.
Those who have the spiritual eyes, I'm not saying that we alone had it. Most of people do had it.
Okay.
But our side, if somebody come like that, we just need the name. Even if it doesn't come to our place, and then one has to say things and then tell you what is happening in your life, we can do that too. But if the person come to us, we'll check, just use your name to check and see if it's God that give it to it.
Okay.
We'll find a solution to it. If like witches or just bad people do it for you, we can find a solution to it. So many. We can't speak it all on air.
Okay. Aja, yeah, Chief Abubo, Yariano ADSO. Yariano na eba mwenimu eno. Challenges when I am with me a face, meaning I am with me, sir, and I do a whole with me say away, dear. Yent me and young Washington, Nipano, and Fanny Ariano, uncle.
Say, I dare to me, I can't call any child.
Then I'm to me.
Okay, Yaria, you are HIV, say, yent to me somewhere.
Okay,
that is it.
HIV. So, HIV yentimi yale bi wo on kra na yentimi ensa ho yale
say oba aba eya maso eya na se waba mo nche na wabe ka che mo se wo fa nyinsen ya na se nipa no mutima aboa na
eno de ye betimi aboa no
ekwan ben so ense bo ho no se ekwa ye kokojare no wo nsuo mu ye ko yese mo de ne tesen
ye de no de tie ne se ye wo haban.
Okay.
Ene into duantene ena duantene na so no ye konguram na ya kope saa na duane wo ho eye sunsum asam because obi ho ya wale no sunsum ento na ya na sometimes ye say adesan ebo 7 to 8 e kona ya oba eni ko se wa andwale amendwale bio endwale abontin so abrade asa.
Okay.
So, because one no, and ya bought 7 ya caught 8 na. No omun namu, a real no mupe, a say.
Okay.
To your bar, Sabreno, unjali ya, men jalibu.
Na te say no na ya na etimi cause nkrofo emma wo muntimi emfa ye funu na so fa because eba de na say wa fa ye funu na say moja na ya na ekohi
so ono ofa ono wa wa no sunsumanto be ma na obese be ma bia beba ono ne che to so ye mistake na say be ma no be ma foforo ba ne che na so fa nyinsa na ono ko be so obewo so ono ne be wo ono ne na sun ono hunhun bone no eno oba na be wo eno ono be wo so a omo wo eniso omo wo sunsun awo ntenu no on person obe makwan.
Well, excuse me to just say one word.
Okay.
I want to say sometimes be wo da obetma sunda na onyan yeah. It's sometimes it's most bebre wo they say sunsun one na den because so betma disusas ade ni esa woro nipa no so betma be betma ye ade wo
chief a conference na ya wo mo eto say nipa no ofon no a na ya na enu ntino mo timi to de mana na say nipa no honhom ye hanti na ya mo timi to de mana na
wo say we are see we na eti no wo say bebre enye ne nipa bebre wo ho na omo betma ho na omo nim say we asabasi we nipa na how asamasi we obi pay adi ana bibia adi ma.
Okay.
Oh, is just about spiritual person that who can what see it. So ye hono na we fa nan asi ye hono sa na no na ebe di kan ahwe oh dan ti na we si dan ti nipa na edi we ma ana then what is the reason before and so nti obia frey odin keke na edi kan ahwe ape eno na tiri na to so ye beka cho de wo ho oh nti edosu ebi wo yentimi nkan nyina on on air the yentimi nkan nyina ebi wo ye secret on say na ye na ye djuma na o mba fidie so
no correct
but sisi ano nipa bwanimfo nti on say penyimfo na ta kata mbia se awo ba konti na omo ko awo nyina nipa bwanenti na su ba fidie so aba ba dan because time bia nipa bebre outside that send adruama outside bebre ye outside full djuma bebre of more complex doors Ghana have this and also with my flow because say no more papa me say and then my spiritual people want to be say obi or adrobi but only eyes now or yes spiritual way obi yaw now obi be san we yale no only spiritual eyes obet ma san yale no na nipa no san dan asai
okay
obet ma kura obi bet ma how now Komalam na he had a real damn medicine to give it to you.
Okay.
But he doesn't have the eyes to see whether somebody has did it to you or God. If somebody has did it like witches like the painful it is a or ma yali na obi say on san o yali no. Obe say obi samasi we pese on yali.
On san o yali okay.
Santi ye hono ye ta free cinema bebre then.
It is a who say before if you no be ye wo hono na e de yare na ma yes any panwa eno no mo consult eya abaifo no eno wo mo etna se kasansa na wo mo jai wo mo de share mama
ye ya ho ta hwe ye fie no ye sra no ye je busum bi waja
okay
wo ta hwe ye program no wo hu
yeah
say wo
the screen so mo
ye o bi wo ye hwe sa na nipa na ha ye ni kwan se ye kasa masa ade no ye ba yusi nipa sa nipa no din
na wo ye tia woni
de omo ye no ye use dinwa ai so ye je kase na ase asabasi we na omo ha ohun nipa no na oha no obepie ba bi o tina ebe dan to say but am na okasa obekasa de o ye nyina okasa we na oba no ma sa na eta ya obi wo pra obi betima di obi betima ba fi o aba ye den apia bibi miwa obasa na we be info ti oba na ebe ye ne me ye motie no be ha no ti obekasa de o ye
aja yo chief ya basa ba so aja se na wo ka se eye yare ni bi wo hono na se ya mutumi ko nwura mu ko tete eye ahaban yenya eye ensem dodo na ebi ni muta aka se ahaban bi wo hono mu a wo kwa kwakoti a eji se wo udwa wo nyina on sha atade na wa kwa kwakoti ebi wo hono mu a wo kwa eji se wo mfa eye coins ento ase ansan na wa kwa kwakoye de wa kwa kwakoti sa ahaban ebi no wo kwa mpo na eji se ungu eye ensa eye no kresa
yo no kure
okay
mama mbo am sister
yo so
chief mpacho mani nya no kakra o ya na wa ayesa asa wo je ne kasa
yeah
ebi wo no kure
okay
ejo ahono de menim
okay
ba de menim ne se habari bi wo wa utumi di kohia kwato dia na ase asanawati ana coins na wo de kwato asanawati
to won ko no de sheki to ara
je no ba de o mo kana de menim musa
ye wo bi e suya ekoto ase wo suya ekoto ase okay
ansama what
then na omota ye sa no on say adrebi 3 bi wo na ye motel betma wasa train nti wo na wo mpa bibia to amano na wa ye obekoduru fie na aduru na entime ye djuma but mun unim say herbalist we na eta san ya le we but who di ko fie no and
yeah, so
the reason why Nipano what spiritual eyes who say as a message I am fear and stay in place to buy a debia man now what bet my at your shop or yeah the open
so the photo was was they say I did ukuta did a wodia yeah oh and I will now me pebby tell me ma hu ade a wo pe
okay
na me de baba be sere afiru ho okay nti me de ade ne beto ma wo bia wagye awie ansa na matimi atia de akosa yale no
okay
the ma ya ne saa na se me de ni amepa enye ejuma
chief member also na ya baba be share with ye enkratasem omomo ye amane na kan ya pese mi nua be ma meja na sinchen wa ye din na osi ye honomo ye djuma die se de ekoso wo so part ben na wo play in with ye haban mu no
memo on se djuma na ye enye ni papa ko djuma
okay
se mi na mi nua ba yo tio na mi papa chief musini
okay
na sanwa busiamfo a omo fie
okay
omo de won to coin this ya na be to coin ba wo ye o bia o fere bi ba o fere bi ba nyina na be kabum na ye adwuma no
okay
on se adwuma no titi dwuma yenso ye sori be tu dwuma no
okay
yenso ye sori be tu dwuma no ye nua ba we na adwuma no ena mi chief we na adwuma be so
okay
ba ye se on se busia dwuma family dwuma de enye ne baba ko dwuma na ye nti o ha obia eda osu na won se wo chini sa o won chini sa wo bedu ko hase wo ba ha fa hase wo ko hase wo ese wo so wo chini abre da bi menua o ko ba bia won duro bia o ko men ka se wa bre fa number na eda hono mu na wa fra e be ma location bia o be fa so abe hu be bia e wo o ba ya be bia e wo so a
number no
okay number be ya ma eni no pe oto a enko ya oto sori a oto se oto ne ma o sori ya skana o na o mu skana su ni nyina ho dwuma ye
the okan wo ti ase o o se o pe se ye wo so
ni na ho to because spiritual
o se obi wo ho oto na ma time bia o sori o hu se the way we share say me to nema bebre be sika no na e kwese si obi be tuma baba to bibi wo ho na o gi kwet okọ na o twon sika no o say obi su wo ho obi onya sika pe na e ba no san sisi na asa
okay
o say obi su wo ho oya dwuma time bia on hu on time chances no bi o mo be lucky obi wo mo lucky ne chance nti o pese yen ma wa do na wo su betima hwe into spiritual adi ball bra ye ready abe ama adima abe man abo nti usa to na ma na enkoyem eye bebre yentimi kan nyina on
wo musa chief ma membusa ayansa no na wo de no so afra eye wo na kase watimi abone to fan yeah with enkratasem so obi ewo eye amanone ekwan ban so na wo betimi ene wo edi ahia ne enkratasem betimi akoye because o Ghana ene ono no wa amanone
ye dwuma ha no santina ye dikan si ye spiritual no spiritual ebi wo ho ye betima yusu tin
okay
adima ebusum no akacha ayam the effort to say ye nipa we asemesi we na dan awo problem we na odi tu anim anti obe ye betima yusu tin na ye dwuma no dan ama
okay
na won ba ho ebisu ba wo won ba ho yentimi ye is different
enye na ya wan ba untimi nye na de he na wo nipa na wo ho no mokrampo abetimi aye de aman
ti say ebi wo ebebre yali pa na
me kasa de afa wo mo amanone a wo mo nkrata sem ya
san krata no ye betimi aye dwuma na wo mba wo pese wo jin krata ye betimi aye dwuma yusu din no aye adwuma bebre odwuma ho enkoyem na opese enko wo wa abrichire obi ye betimi aye yusu din aye abrichire so ye send sika adro time dia
okay
post office die ye send adro time dia tuwa abrichire na wo hia ye kotikasi adro ana opese wo mbodwuma ache on bed ana opese wo wu akola ana ope for girls no they yes and no bibi but ye be yusu din
okay
wo and but ebi wo ye be send adro na e ba ho na e show de obeye na wa yusi wo Ghana ha area bia na wo hia ya adro ye betima wontimi be betima send wo adro ebi wo ye adro na e be send amount na ye show de obe yusi ebi wo ye ntimi send wo adro obeba ye ho aba betina si na ye dwuma na ama nti ye me no number no ma me friend number no number no is 054 948 2203 054 9482203 and ye do ye boano obeto anamoto anamopa nipa bebre wo ho no mo ba atena fide so ahyinima bebre but hwini ho
okay
so ntimo beto anamoto anamopa na mo hwe yie on say aha ye penyifo djuma na ye enye nipa ba ko djuma ye family djuma nti ye ntimi ndu obia trogan aha nti ye o say ye djuma bebre ama nipa wontimi mbo nipa na oba on fide so na ko ba dan akasa afren pending
yate ye chief yate aja ye de enkomo no eba ye na wie ya enesa say ye say obi peba na waba ye munase na wanya ba no aya na ebinu susu se sa emma no wo mu ye nso ba depending on nipa no tumi a wo use so ebinu hu ne say ebinu use so tumi motie tumi a ene de ka ho enu nti ne so obi eba ye obi a ye herbalist one na say traditionalist one say wo baba be peba aya na ye wodin bi de masa nkwada say we mu de o mu ye nso ba ne ye de ka eho sa din ana se de ya na ye hunu no sa na ti ana na odi ni nyina esi ama
me pacho Debbie
okay
ye ye ne sa because sunsun awale nte sunsun awale na sunsun bi awale o ne de uba ye ma wonduro na ebe ya be masa spirit ne be firi o mu na wa ma watni ayre anyi se awo ye ni sa ne mana ye den se ya ma wonduro unyi se wia na ye kobusum ne so na ye de busum ne din ade aye na wa wo o wia ye de busum no eto akola no so David ye nyane sa
okay
ye nyane sa ne man de ye hono ye uba ndro no ye be ya kwa ma ko pablo onu na wonu na wodwale na sa mbone no so oda na usunda na uri be mada abra woni be ma bia
na hono okay
eno no ye haban ne ndro no na wonu ma na wa ye de na wanu na wodwale na sa mbone na firi uso
sa eno na wo mo ben no mo no eni sunsanso boni bia
David say ewe wo ade a eduane se nkwan ebia nkurma na eye se undi nkurma so onum nduro no abra nkurma nkwan undi a ye be ka chewo nkatan nkwan so na undi a ye be ka chewo se nkatan nkwan mendi o ti ase aha enu de ye be ka bet se de o ka se bia ye di nsuo ana ye bo nsuo di ana bu ndebe
me pase ya ka se kuro nkasa short
o kana ye fancy because ye see ye
sambi si for hambe Ghana kan bi Burkina bi Togo bi Nasar senga India be US be Russia bi China fa problem bolik ton number wa ton be Ghana nso ne ba be northern region fa wa tata marbala wala na biam do arabarke nation fo problem ni nga fa chapi bole zin na fete facena ka to brapon mano to fumtena ka to brapon mano fo to ne chengo me ndik ton number wa husuna maga wala na biam do albarka mabi fa fara ye do mo hambe la tense ka za wa abi do wum to madane ke mo me ndik number la o bela outside o mbola bolga ko ke mo me nga ndik number la wa na te son hotela sela wo en fine mbo to maka en digri to maka en do to number so santa down wa na tuma yila ari la family to nande ena sa wa ana do so ho fam la za it be zinmi ndiko yuron be la de sin za wa te so ho te sela wo ken fine bo
okay all for na aha ene ye de yankomo twetwe no esem gidi ye said de e course so de keka ye no enyina no ye wo anya wo chefa o munya wo chefa na ene se wonti bibiase a omo number e da screen so betimi afa na omo atwetwe eye enkomo se de se na fata ye nka se obi enje obi didi emfa entum na so no de wogi edie e wo mu ana se de wo hu ne se ebebo no no ho anamo e na ese fata se wo ye de wutu because obi a ene biaye a se bi onya ne didi edi efri na aha and I'm doing more AC like videos and share on all the social media platforms now. So media ene Afia sikapa makro.